Hello, fellow cruisers. In my 58 cruises, I still forget items like sunscreen, socks, etc. The ships are outrageously priced. Did you know that many people often forget essential items when shopping for a cruise? Stick around to make sure you're well prepared for your next adventure on the high seas. Welcome aboard our ultimate cruise ship shopping guide. It's crucial to be well prepared for your trip to ensure a stress-free and enjoyable experience. Let's dive into the must-have items you shouldn't forget to pack for your cruise. Picture this. You're on a cruise ship and you realize you forgot to pack sunscreen, seasickness medication, or even formal attire. Not knowing what to pack or buy can lead to unnecessary stress during your trip. But worry not. We've got you covered with a comprehensive list of essentials. First things first, sunscreen is a must to protect your skin from the sun's harsh rays. Don't forget seasickness medication in case the waves get a bit rough. And of course, pack some formal attire for those elegant evenings on the ship. Planning ahead is key to a smooth sailing experience. Make a checklist of all the items you need to ensure you don't forget anything important. By being well prepared, you can relax and enjoy every moment of your cruise without any worries. To wrap it up, remember to pack sunscreen, seasickness medication, and formal attire for your cruise. Being prepared is the key to a stress-free and enjoyable trip. Bon voyage! Now it's your turn. Share your own cruise shopping tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides and tips. Happy cruising!